Take 3, everybody. So, all right, here we go. Here's how you do your programming. You're going to open the EV3 programming software. That's in a Lego folder. You've got 3 Lego folders. It's probably the 3rd one. It looks like this. Lego Mindstorms Education EV3. When you open it, you need to start a new program, which, here, I'll show you what that looks like. So you're going to choose File, New Project, Program. You got to click a bunch of things in life. So here you go. Once you've opened that, now you're ready to start your program. You want your robot to do 2 things, go up and come down. So I'm going to go down to this green palette on the bottom and choose this block with the steering wheel. It says Move Steering. I'm going to put 2 of those in my program. 1 means go up, 1 means go down. To make a robot go down, you need this power meter to be a negative number. You can either drag it to whatever value you want, or you can click on it and type in it to get an exact amount. This is the basics of your entire program. All right? You'll probably want to name this. So up and down. You're going to want to save your project so that you have it for later, because tomorrow you're going to need it again. So this is the mountain climber. Now you've got this saved. You're going to have to experiment with how many times up the mountain your wheels need to rotate. It might be that you need to do 15 rotations to get up the mountain. You might only need 5 depending on your design. It's entirely up to you, all right? So you're going to have to determine what this number is. You can do this experimentally and then change your program every time. With your download cable, which, you know, looks like this. Not everybody has one right now. We'll be getting everybody one as we go. Once you've got your download cable, you'll plug one end into your laptop, this end, the USB end. The other end, which is micro USB, goes into your robot where it says PC. Once you've done that, now you are able to actually download your program. In the bottom right corner of your screen, where my face is, I'm going to remove my face for a second. All right. Down in the bottom right corner of your screen, there's a little icon, and when your robot's plugged in, its name and its information will show up here. And then there's this little arrow that points down. You click this button, and it will download your program and show it on your brick. You can find it on there and play it. Make sure you name it, then you know what it is. All right, hopefully that helps everybody.